Once upon a time, a farmer's donkey accidentally fell into an old, deep well. The animal cried out piteously for hours as the farmer anxiously tried to figure out what to do. The well was narrow, the donkey was heavy, and the situation seemed dire. After pondering his options, the farmer made a difficult decision. The donkey was old, and since the well needed to be covered up anyway, it just wasn't worth it to try and retrieve the animal. Heartbroken but resigned, he called upon his neighbors to help him. They all grabbed shovels and began to throw dirt into the well, intending to bury the donkey and seal the well for good. At first, the donkey was terrified and cried out in desperation as the dirt rained down on his back. He could feel himself being buried alive, and his cries became more frantic. But then something remarkable happened. After the initial panic, the donkey suddenly quieted down. The farmer, puzzled by the sudden change, peeked into the well. To his astonishment, he saw that with every shovelful of dirt that landed on its back, the donkey would shake it off and take a step up. As the dirt kept coming, the donkey kept climbing higher and higher, shaking off each load and stepping up. The neighbors continued shoveling, and the donkey continued his routine. Shake it off and step up, shake it off and step up. Before long, to everyone's amazement, the donkey, covered in dust but unharmed, stepped up over the edge of the well and trotted off, relieved and triumphant. The farmer was stunned and filled with admiration for the creature he had almost given up on. The donkey's perseverance had turned a hopeless situation into a victorious escape. The farmer, moved by what he had witnessed, felt a surge of inspiration. That day, he learned a valuable lesson from his humble donkey. Life, he realized, would always try to bury us in challenges, hardships, and failures. It is up to us to shake off the dirt and take a step up, just as the donkey did. He decided to apply this newfound wisdom to his own life, resolving never to give up, no matter how insurmountable the odds seemed. From that day on, the farmer approached every problem with the same determination as his donkey had shown. Whenever difficulties arose, he reminded himself to shake it off and keep moving forward. And slowly but surely, just like the donkey, he rose above every challenge, one step at a time. Moral: life will always throw dirt at you. Challenges, hardships, and setbacks of all kinds. The trick is not to get bogged down by it. Instead, shake it off and take a step up. No matter how deep the well seems, you can always rise above it if you keep moving and never give up.